It's a 2018 Audi Q7. Intelligent design coupled with legendary capability make this Q7 a serious performer that elevates luxury to a new level. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, integrated navigation system, refrigerated box located in the glove box, driver memory seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, manual rear windshield blind, front and rear parking sensors, and front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Edmunds.com explains Audi has managed a high-tech presentation without a sacrifice in comfort or warmth. Audi forges sophistication and performance into each iconic vehicle. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.